Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to learn about Media Library in WordPress. Media Library consists of the images, audios, videos and files that you can upload and add to the content when writing a post or page. To understand about Media Library, click on Media. After that click on Library. Now here as you can see my media files like images, videos. Click on Add Media button. The Upload New Media page gets displayed. We will talk about it in our next video. For now let's talk about the various tabs that appears right here. First is List View. And second is Grid View. When you click on List View it will displays the images and videos in list form. And if you click on Grid View, it will displays all images in the grid format as you can see right here. And then we have this option right here. We can use this option to filter the images, audios, and videos. And finally we have search box. Search box will help you to search a particular image by inserting the name into the box. So this is the quick introduction about Media Library in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.